Hello guys, we're back in another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Technic crossbow with Technic pieces. First, remember to like and subscribe, do all of that stuff, yeah. Now first get this blue stick, and then get these two black pins, and then put it in the third and fifth hole. Then get this T shape, then place it in those pins. Then get these four long black pieces and place them in these remaining holes from the blue stick. Now get these two pieces and put it in these like black pins. Yes. Now flip it over and get these two black pins and place it in these two holes from the T shape. Now you get this piece and then put it in this part. Now flip it over and get these three black pins and put it in the first, third and fifth hole. Now get this long black stick and then place it in those pins. Yes, okay. Now get these two L shapes and put it in these parts like that. Now get these two black pins and put it at the end of the L shapes. Now you get two of these pieces and place it in of the end of either side of the crossbow. Now get this rubber band and then put it across those pieces. Now get these two black pieces. You get this piece first, and then place it in those parts right there to keep it still. Now get these two pins and then put it in these parts over here. Now final thing to do is get these two yellow pieces and then put it in to keep the rubber band still. Now of course, to use it you need arrows, and you get this long piece and then push it in, and to keep it still you get this yellow piece and then push it through there. And if you want like a holding thing like this, you can do it. Now I'm gonna go outside and show you how it works. Okay, now I'm outside and I'm going to show you how this Technic crossbow works. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm going to do test 2 now because that didn't work. Now I'm going to just do like a bit more power by pushing it one more piece over here. Yes, like that. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Wow, that went far. Okay, that's how you make the crossbow. Make sure to like and subscribe. Alright, bye guys.